po yun eh. So yun sa akin na parang sana, I guess more on monitoring. And I suggest ma'am, in a question also, siguro ma'am, ayun nga po, napakapalad namin na nandito po kayo. My suggestion is dapat po lahat merong evaluation form. Meron po ba kayong specific na criteria for that accessibility barrier free lahat? So I suggest ma'am, habang nandito po kayo, can you give them or us a questionnaire na para pag alis nyo po or pag uwi namin, maririnig po yung boses namin. Ano yung mga naramdaman namin to this specific area. Kasi po, alam ko naman buong Pilipinas po ito at mga leaders po kami. Maaaring ito yung simula, ma'am, para magkaroon kami ng access. Tapos, yung sinasabi nga pong directory, na may link ba yan or meron po ba kami pwedeng i-report sa inyo na, ay ma'am, meron po dito sa Region 3, nandito kami sa specific hotel. Pwede po ba ay tawagan nyo ito? Or kumbaga sa internal ano po natin, ang commitment, na bigyan nyo sila or i-obliga nyo sila magkaroon ng evaluation form after. Kasi sa amin po manggagaling mismo sa karanasan namin, ano yung mga sinasabi namin, hindi accessible. So ngayon, I challenge each of us na sana mapag-alis nyo po dito, may form, may evaluation form, may feedback regarding sa lahat po ng nararanasan namin. Hindi lang dito, kundi sa mga susunod para natin tuloy-tuloy po namin ma-monitor. Yung po, magtulungan po tayong monitoring sa mga mapupuntahan namin venues. So yun po, maraming salamat po.
Okay, Ms. Lenny.
Maraming salamat po dun sa suggestion. Unfortunately po ngayon, dun sa feedback, wala po akong dala. At saka wala talaga, hindi siya in place. But yung feedback po, no, you can actually email us na lang feedback. Kasi dun sa DOT naman, meron kaming email dedicated for feedback. So you can actually email it to feedback@tourism.gov.ph or dun po sa office email ko. I-post na lang. Sige, isusulat mo na lang. Yung isusulat namin.
Ayan.
Para every time po
Yan po
na
si Maria Rica
magbiyahe kayo or you just want to give us feedback on your observations sa lahat ng mga destinations. Really, it's we will appreciate po having this feedback. Kasi doon tayo makaka-improve talaga ng ating mga facilities and services. Mas maiintindihan ng mga stakeholders natin na hindi lang to gusto-gusto ng DOT. Talaga, kasi minsan may ganong perception na itong DOT marami na namang nire-require. Itong government marami na namang regulations. But really not knowing that these are really what the requirement of the sector is. These standards. So, we need feedback. We need references, testimonials to share this information with them. And sa inyo po manggagaling yun. So, maraming salamat po sa suggestion. Isusulat na po namin yung aming emails na pwede po yung kahit hindi po yung ngayon, kahit pa in the future, just send us po your, kasi we will collate it. Ayan.
Yeah.
Hindi, tsaka yung feedback at tourism.gov.ph. Yung isa pa.
Okay, so ang dami nating nabubuo, naiipon na mga suggestion na makakatulong sa atin. Now, let's have Mr. Raymond from Tacloban City. Then, afterwards, same from Tacloban City also, Mr. Philip Ting. Huwag mo makahabaan, ha? Okay. Hindi, si Philip na sinasabi ko. Okay lang sa'yo, Raymond. Sige. Sige, Raymond, you go ahead now.
Good morning, ma'am. Patungkol lang ito sa trabaho. Sa inyong programa, sa inyong promotion patungkol sa inyong massage pag-tune sa Japan, hindi ba dito ang milestone ang mga visual experts na makapasok doon? Service or makatrabaho doon ang inyong programa sa Hilog Massage. And then, pangalawa, pwede ba maisama ang person with disability sa local tourism activity tulad ng tour guiding, souvenir production, or culture presentation. Thank you.
Yes po, actually, inaano nga rin po nga namin yung opportunities, business and livelihood opportunities for our PWD members. Meron pong Filipino brand of wellness ngayon na programa ang Department of Tourism. At isa sa mga pinopromote nito is yung ating local hilot, yung ganyan. So, may mga training po na binibigay ang DOT, the Filipino brand of wellness, sa mga resort na merong spas or mga massage services. So, pwede po namin through our regional offices, pag may mga pa-training po silang ganon, we can actually invite your members or your association through our regional offices pag may mga, or pwede po mag-request. Actually, if your association in a region will be able to, for example, provide or have like 20 members na interested in the Filipino brand of wellness or hilo training para bigay ng livelihood opportunities sa mga members niyo, then you can request po sa aming regional office. Yun po pangalawa.
Nasa iyo, Mike.
Meron din po sa tour guiding. Kasi nga kanina na-mention ko, nagbigay kami ng training for the deaf. So, lahat po talaga ng aming mga participants are really with hearing impairment. So, at nagbigay kami ng training on tour guiding. Ngayon, a few of them are already guiding sa Intramuros. So, similarly, these trainings are provided by our regional office. So, yun po, if you come up with a group, then you can request sa aming regional office. Para maka-schedule at maka-imbita sila ng ma-plan nila yung mga resource speakers.
Ayun, thank you ma'am. Before Mr. Philip, i-add ko lang po, as suggested by Mr. Raymond, kasi doon sa Pampanga, naiisip namin, may kausap ako from one of the CSR Foundation of one of the hotels in Clark, na yung sa housekeeping department, possible job opportunities for the deaf, sana. Yung ma-training sila kasi hirap sila makahanap ng trabaho. So siguro sa mga hotels natin, yung employee nila, yung mga deaf, yung mga malls nag-employ na yung mga deaf. So possible. Sa Clark meron din na isang isang locator doon, yung La Rose. Meron silang about 60 deaf na employees. Yes po. Yun, para po factory siya ng mga cookies ganyan, na exported sa Europe. So, yun. Naisip namin possible sa mga hotels din, sa housekeeping department din yan, na pwede sila. So, kung pwede pong ma-tie up ng DOT sa TESDA, para opportunity for the deaf. Yes po, ma'am. Okay, tulong na rin po yun sa sektor namin. Now, let's go po to Mr. Thing from the Global City also.
Thank you. Ma'am, this is basically a parang consolidation of practically a consolidation of everything that was raised. Basically, this is an issue of participation ng sektor sa mga operations ng DOD. So like for example, you have trainings where you offer trainings and other work. In fact, I wanted to go into what the DOD can do policy-wise, kasi alam ko, di ba, nag-divide na kayo into, the DOD is already divided into two. Di ba? Yung Tiesa, tsaka yung PPP. TPP. So, yun. So, gusto ko lang malaman kung what the DOT itself can do to deliver the trainings so that your office issue a policy na kailangan mag-require na well, of course, we will have to have a partnership settled first for that, no? Pero can you also consider the abilities of the regional federations to contribute manpower to your investigation inspections? So, pwede bang gawing policy ng DOT na every inspection should include at least
So,
one
maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Legal issue
para to
and more power.
the accessibility audit a bit more reliable.
Sir, actually, really magandang suggestion. And ako, I'd like to really go through that. But just to share with you lang, yung aming star rating assessment kasi, di ba, ang DOT kasi kami din yung nagka-classify kung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 star ang isang kami. Sa inspection po, we actually have an industry practitioner na trained under our standards. At maganda nga po na pag naglabas sila para mag-exam, may kasama na rin taga sa sector nyo for the BFT. Ngayon lang po kasi, aayusin namin ito internally kasi we have something to settle with COA. In-question kasi nila yung engagement namin ng third-party assessor. But, of course, ina-explain namin sa kanila that the scheme that we, and this is provided for under the rules ng DOT, that the scheme that we instituted for the star rating assessment in the country is really together with an industry professional. But hindi pa siguro ma-appreciate ng COA namin. Kaya nakasuspend nga yung aming star rating system. But definitely po, your suggestion to have a member from your sector to be with us in the inspection is a welcome and a very good idea. Para, tama, yung talagang, yung reality na kung ano yung dapat na iba din kasi yung eye ng trained inspector doon sa talagang experience ng isang member, no? In terms of really doing the audit. Isang member ng sector na doing the audit. So, yes po. And then, yung aming mga attached agencies, yes, sa infrastructure arm namin yun